This is Kannan Karnat Tech Vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kannan. Save your electronic gadgets from lightning, surge voltage, short circuit current and overload current. Before going to the video, I want to discuss you about a few things related to some lightning and surge voltages. First, I have traveled in a rainy day in a street which was having lot of green trees 10 years back. The lightning attacked a tree and the bark of a tree broken down from the branch and it fell down. This is the picture shows a tree in which the lightning has attacked and the bark has fall down. This is one example. See here, if the lightning attacked me, I will be killed. Second thing, we had a old TV which is using a picture tube. When there is a low voltage, TV suddenly switched off. It never switched on. This picture shows lightning attacked electrical equipment. Electrical equipments are considered to have high resistance than electronic equipments because electronic equipments have a lot of semiconductor devices. They will burn certainly. And in this video, we are going to discuss about some products in a theoretical way. That is, I will show the pictures of those products. You have to add one by one those products according to your necessity or by recommendation. You have to install safety devices. In this video, we will discuss about protecting electronic equipment from short circuit, overload current, surge voltage, lightning, and also to escape from earth leakage and the shocks. In addition to these equipments, you have to use stabilizers to protect your electronic equipments when there is a low voltage. In addition to this, you always use a thick wire for wiring so that it won't catch fire. If you expand your electrical wiring, somehow thick wires and safety wires necessary to protect your house from catching fire. Now we will discuss one by one about those products which are offered in Flipkart and Amazon at a best price. And minimum safeguard your equipments, or is a better way to approach a panel board builder or house wiring contractors. Spend few thousands, you will save that lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Just a starter tip to save your electronic equipments. Thank you. This picture is showing a lightning arrestor which is made of brass and copper. The purpose of the lightning arrestor is to save the structures and electrical equipment's power lines from voltage surges. This typical home-based lightning arrestor is a product from Amazon. The product is having a 5 spike in the top and the other hand has to be connected to the earth. It is angled at an angle of 45 degrees. In case any lightning occurs and there is a surge voltage, it will bypass it to the earth. The cost of the lightning arrestor is given is 2,700 rupees on that day. You can install this type of lightning arrestor at home. The coverage of this lightning arrestor is 1.8 meter radius. This is the first option I am giving you. You may save your lakhs of rupees. The product which I have bought is this one. I will show you in the video later on. This product is used for short circuit protection, overload protection and surge protection. I think it won't be used for to stop surge voltage caused by lightning. This is another type of socket you can use during a travel purpose. It is used to protect you from high voltage protection, low voltage cutoff, surge voltage from the lightning. It won't protect you from electrical shocks. Actually, this is one product from Havells. If you see this product, this is an MCB. You can use it at home. You can use it for electrical appliances also, like motors and refrigerators, air conditioners, 2 HP. The purpose of this MCB is to save your electrical equipments from surge voltage, short circuit current, and also from lightning. But it won't save you from shock. The cost is very lesser. It is around 400 rupees. By installing this MCB, you can save your costliest motor. You can save thousands of rupees. You can use it for electronic equipments also. It is a product of Leiden and it is sold in Amazon This product is act as an ELCB and also a MCB. The MCB protects you from all except shocks, but ELCB protects you from shocks. This can be used as a subsystem for your electrical electronic equipments. It is better to invest on ELCB plus MCB than MCB. The cost is, though it is more, like it is around 900 rupees. The depends upon the capacity, the price may vary, but it protects you from shocks from 3 milliampere to 30 milliampere leakage. It is also acts on MCB. They have provided a bypass also. It can be used as a main system. You have to invest more amount for a main system. These are all the items offered in various online services like Flipkart and Amazon to protect your home electrical electronic equipments. I bought one product. We will discuss about the product in the next session.
This product I have bought it from Flipkart for rupees 300 or something. Actually, this is used for fan and mixer, grinder, etc. But I am using only it for charging mobile, laptop, TV, etc. Peak maximum ampere rating is 10 ampere, so that it may safeguard my electronic gadgets. If the ampere rating is more, if there is any short circuit, you may have some problem. This item is used for all like surge voltage, short circuit current, but there are some limitations in this product. This product is base product which will protect you from only surge voltage, not from lightning, not from any low voltage. For lightning you have to use surge suppressor. In the plug point itself surge suppressors are available. You can use those items in case of lightning in rainy days. That will help you to save your gadgets.
Now we will discuss about the difference between the four items used in breaking a circuit: fuse, MCB, MCCB, ELCB. Fuse is designed to prevent overcurrent. MCB and MCCB prevent you from overcurrent and short circuit. The difference is that capacity. And ELCB, it protects you from shock due to the earth leakage. There is one more item called RCCB, which is used to protect you from all the shocks. Fuse cannot be reused. All other three can be reused. This is faster than MCB for overcurrent protection, but all other three are slower. In order, fuse, MCB is cheaper, and ELCB and RCCB are costlier. Fuse is having less breaking capacity, all other having a high breaking capacity. Fuse cannot be calibrated as the metal melting point depends upon the thickness, length of the material, impurity in the material. These are the breaking capacity of the fuse. And all the three are calibrated. For home purpose, you have to use any three combination of these items. For lower capacity, you have to use fuse and MCB, and if there is possible mini RCCB is available, you can use it. For higher capacity, you can use fuse, MCCB and RCCB. ELCB you can avoid. Instead ELCB you can use RCCB. RCCB protects you from earth shocks and other shocks also. If there is any shock, it will break the circuit.
This is a new type of switchboard. You can use it in future. The base is connected to a fuse and a switch, and it is connected to that base part of that switch, and the neutral is connected to a fuse, and in parallel there is a switch which is again connected to a neutral part of the switch. During non-rainy season, you have to switch on this switch so that it will bypass the fuse and the circuit will be a normal circuit. During rainy season, there are more possibility for a high voltage surge, high voltage in the neutral network also. That's why we are using this type of circuit. During rainy season, you have to switch off this switch so that the neutral part will be connected via the fuse. In case any short circuit or surge voltage, fault current, due to the high voltage short circuit. In that case, that fuse which is connected to the neutral network will blow and it will save the electronic equipments. This won't help for a lightning because current value should be more. If the fuse is blown, it won't work. So that you have to switch on the switch. You may think the electronic equipment is not working, and if there is no proper earthing, the electronic equipment won't work, and the current will pass through the electronic equipment, and the capacitor and the inductors in the electronic circuit may charge and discharge current or voltage, and it may damage your electronic equipment if the earthing is not proper. So that you have to be cautious if you are using this type of switch.
There is no guarantee that these products might save your electronic gadgets, electrical products. This video gives some basic safety for your products and how to safeguard your gadgets. More you spend for safety, more you save your gadgets. Unplug all electronic gadgets during rainy season and night or not in use. This is because there is no guarantee. Always consult electrical contractor or panel board builders who do for home-based electrical works. They know the combination of fuse, MCB, MCCB, LCB, or CCB, where you have to place these, where you have to use like that. Your room will have a basic combination of fuse and MCB, and whole of the building or anything will have some LCB, RCCB, MCCB combinations with the fuse. So please consult electrical contractors. This is a basic, and you should not blame me in case you have any problem. Thank you. Please, this is a video from Kannan Karnad Tech Blog.
Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Kannan Karnad Tech Blog.